First, your website. Here's the best sequence we found from millions in testing. Now, your landing page. If your headline contains these words, I guarantee you're probably struggling. Instead, call out your ideal target audience, then use a tangible, outcome-focused claim that your audience cares about. Use this template. For the subheadline, ground the claim you made by explaining how you achieve that outcome in simple steps. The page should read from top to bottom, and a child should be able to read it and understand what it is you do. Contact us is the worst performing call to action. You need to offer something of value. There's a known reason to take action. Easy replacements are free trial, free consultation, or free demo. Next, head to Sales Navigator. Add filters so you get a list of your ideal target audience. Use Everboot to rip their emails. Upload that same list into Instantly. Then send a 3 email sequence. Don't pitch, offer something of value for free. These are the benchmarks that you should see. Do this at volume and you will get leads daily. Now, post content 5 times a week with this cadence. Grow is hero story. Education is educational. Capture is a post offering a lead magnet. This will bring leads to your inbox. Whatever offer worked via email, now start to run ads for. Set up your campaigns like this. Use lead gen form ads when you start. Turn off what doesn't work and spend more on what does. Next, shift to a landing page sequence I mentioned earlier when everything's working consistently. Make remarketing audiences for these people. Now, run video, text, and image ads to those people. The content of these ads should answer common questions, highlight key features and benefits, and handle common objections about your service. Push people to your core offer or a call with these ads. Now set up automatic emails to fire off to handle the leads. You need a sequence for unscheduled leads. This message here gets the highest response rate. This sequence is used prior to a sales call to remind leads of their call and give them information they show up ready to buy. And this sequence is used after the first call to nurture a close. This just scratches the surface. I break everything down in more depth and fill in the gaps in this video right here.